BMW i4 production to end as i3 takes its place. The BMW i4, the all-electric four-door coupe, is being phased out with the upcoming launch of the new BMW i3 sedan. According to BMW product boss Bernd Kerber, the i3 will effectively replace the i4 in the automaker's electric lineup, though the future could hold a redesigned successor. i4's impending end, confirmed reports and industry speculation suggested the i4 was nearing the end of its production cycle, and Kerber's recent statements during the i3's launch in Germany have all but confirmed it. While the i4 received a refresh in 2024, production is expected to conclude later this year. The i3 is more or less the successor of the i4, but you'll see the portfolio evolve over the next few years as our electric lineup expands, so there's more to come. For the time being, though, the i3 is essentially the i4's successor. Bernd Kerber, BMW product boss new class platform. Future possibilities: the i3 is slated for release as a 2027 model later this year, built on BMW's advanced new class platform. This same platform is also likely to underpin the next generation of the 4 Series, potentially paving the way for a future i4 model. The company has not ruled out a true successor to the i4 in the coming years. What this means for consumers: the shift from the i4 to the i3 signals BMW's commitment to streamlining its electric vehicle lineup. For consumers, this means that while the i4 will soon no longer be available, the i3 offers a newer platform and technology. The decision also highlights the rapid evolution of the EV market, where models are quickly updated or replaced to stay competitive. The BMW i4's run is ending, but the door remains open for its eventual return, likely in a more advanced form.